Today I will talk about career gaps. Do you have a job gap and you don't know how to address that in an interview? Most candidates that make this mistake. They sound unsure. They start justifying the job gaps. To be honest, almost every few candidates I speak to has a job gap. And we are not worried about the career gap you have. We are worried about what you did in that time. So, the worst mistake you can do here is start over explaining or justifying it or taking long pauses, talk too much about it, or just say nothing much. See, candidates always feel that whatever reasons they are giving is like their reasons are bad. It's not like that. Health reasons, parental break, or upskilling, or caregiving, everything is valid. You just have to explain it properly and confidently. I remember a few years ago, I was talking to a candidate who had 1.5 year of career gap, and he was to attend an interview. And so, with a career gap, automatically your confidence goes a bit down, right? So he went to an interview and he was not prepared how to address that. And he said, due to the personal reasons, I had to take a break, and there's no further explanation. I know I had a word with the hiring manager, and this person got rejected just because of he did not have a valid explanation to the career gap he had. And after a couple of months, I remember there was another opportunity, and the same person appeared for the interview. And with just a little bit of guidance, he could prepare his answer. He rehearsed and prepared his answers, and we usually speak to the candidate after their interviews, and he said that he could very well answer that question. He said that I have planned this break to, support my family, and during this break I could upskill myself. And he talked about some certification and all he did. So yeah, no problem. He got selected. It was I remember it's a customer success job, and he had a good communication skills, and he was in touch with the things skills and all. So he could crack this interview. So most of the time, candidates themselves, they feel my reason is not justified or not valid. It's not like that. Whether it's health reasons, whether it's maternity or caregiving, whatever break you're taking, you just explain it confidently. See, the thing is, a break, a career gap, explained confidently looks like a planned thing. It's not a problem. So just remember, it's your story and you have to own it. I hope that helps, and see you next time with other tips around career gaps. Thank you so much.